Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is a girl Igbo Technologist, guys. Today is start of a new vlog, if I may say it that way. I don't know, I'm still trying to get over with these things. Yes, I want to start my weight loss journey. I think it's time to start it because it's got done on me when I found out that most of my clothes are not my size again, guys. It's funny, right? That was when it got done on me, and I knew that I really need to start this weight loss journey because it's getting out of hand. My face are now fat, my neck, I can't even say. But before I do anything today, this is morning, this is a fresh morning, the kids have gone to school, and girl, I have to start my day, right? Now I want to shoot a YouTube video. I'm going to show you guys. I'm changing settings for today. You can see I'll use these settings for today. This is my mom's room, actually, when she came to visit me. Yes, this is her room, but I'm gonna stay here to make this video today. So I want to set this video side just to change a little bit of environment, guys. I was telling you guys about going to a dentist the other time, and I think today is finally the day I'm gonna go to this dentist. Maybe after shooting this video, I just have my breakfast, and of course I don't know, I want to cook today. I want to make Ofe-akwu Banga soup, but I don't know how it's going to go. I don't know if it's going to be possible for me to do that, but I'm going to try it. If we end up doing it, then that will be fantastic, right? But I have to, anything I have to do it and leave this house before, because the time goes fast. Yes, so guys, yes, so this is it. The last time I went to a dentist, I didn't want to film this video of my dentist journey, but I don't know, if you look at this place, these things here, these are skin tag. I told you guys on my other video, but I didn't end up showing the video because I cancelled my appointment. You see, these ones here are the ones I did already. It's bad how the thing ended up, because the other dentist told me that this is a bad work. Though the person that did this particular one said they used freezing method, that the freezing method does not return back again, and I shouldn't worry that this lipo color here is going to disappear at the end of the day, like it's going to blend in with my skin. I'm still looking and waiting for it to blend in with my skin, actually, right? But the dentist that is telling me that this is a bad work is the one I'm having an appointment with today, that's going to use laser method. This skin tag is actually very annoying for me, guys. Some don't see it as a problem, but me, I don't like it. Like, it's very disturbing for me. So this is very white now. I just hope it's gonna go. I don't know. The lady was like, am I not disturbed? I'm like, this is better rough for me to see that skin tag. That skin tag irritates me, like it gives me headache. So I just had to take it off each of the day. I had it when I got it first. I started having it first when I was pregnant with my first daughter. Then I was told it's gonna go after delivery. Then I was pregnant with my second son. Then it even added more. So guys, I don't know. I really need to take it off. It's expensive, but if it's me saving money to go and take it off, I'm in for it. Do you understand? So guys, that is basically it. I don't know, thank you guys for supporting me on my channel, even though the growth is not as much I expected, but it's okay, it's still something. And I'm happy that YouTube has unlocked my community tab, which means they are seeing my consistency. That community tab was supposed to be unlocked when I have 500 subscribers, but I just have about 392 subscribers as I'm doing this video right now. I hope it goes further than that, but YouTube has unlocked my community, so I'm very happy to have community now. I'm going to be using that community tag just to get acquainted with my subscribers, to get to know them more, to become intimate with them. To become intimate with my subscribers, know what they want, post videos, hear from them, see their comments, and then so on and so forth. I'm happy, of course, to do that. Do you understand? And yes, they say consistency pays. I don't know, I'm doing it, I'm still doing it. The growth is not what I expected. I expected much more than this, but hopefully it's gonna go well. So guys, without further, let's just go and do the things of today, and do myself a breakfast, and eat, and we go. Okay,
driver wait for morning, starting motor to carry passenger where them
the Ofe-akwu is almost ready. So the camera, I didn't show you guys how it all went down because the camera went off. I told you guys. So I just finished charging the battery now and I just put it on. So that is it. I don't know if I'm still gonna go out today, but if I go out I'll capture everything, but if I don't, I'll be editing this vlog. Hey, so guys, I just finished cooking now. I don't know if I can be able to meet up with the appointments. I was saying dentist. It's not dentist, dermatologist. Sorry guys, I was just saying dentist, dermatologist. So that is just it. I just have to relax and just rest if possible. Relax and just rest. I don't know. I planned on, I showed you guys later on that I wanted to create videos today, but I don't know if I can still create videos today. I don't know because I just finished after I did the introduction of the video, after I started the vlog, I showed you guys the place I was going to do the video. Then I stopped. I went to go and make this food because I know how it can be. If I don't make it immediately, I might end up not making it, just forget something like that. So I had to go and start with that. And after cooking, I just finished cooking not too long ago and I'm tired. But with that being said, maybe I'll still try and create some videos today, and I still have to go and make my notes for videos for the upcoming week, because sometimes I usually make my videos earlier, as in make the notes earlier, then bring the content in video the following week. If you check my channel, I've been dropping videos every blessed day. Yes, I've been dropping videos every blessed day. Is it easy? It's not easy. Consistency is not easy, but what motivates me is when I just remember the fact that somebody out there is working every day as well just to be paid at the end of the month, right? So that's what motivates me. Yes, YouTube are not giving me money on this channel, but the motivation there is somebody out there is working every blessed day to earn money at the end of the month after 30 days, right? Or 25 days, depending on whatever contract you have with your company. So right now, what am I doing? I am working every blessed day too for 30 days to build up my company, to build up my work. Yes, that's the idea that I have. That's just the motivation behind it, because I've seen some people that send me a message, you're consistent, what's the drive behind this consistency, how are you able to be consistent on YouTube? So I'm just going to drop it here, and I've just said it. The consistency is just do it like you're working every day. Just do it like your 9-to-5 job. You're working every day for 30 days, and at the end of the day, at the end of the month, you're being paid salary. Just do it like you own a company you're trying to grow, a company you're trying to nurture, a company you're trying to bring out in view, and you have to put your best. Even though that company, when you build up a company, at first the company is not giving you that revenue that you ought to or that you wish to be getting, right? So just build it up like that company, and I think there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. Guys, I'm talking too much. I just have to go now. Just can't clean up this makeup because I don't know if I'm still gonna go out. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll start up a new vlog tomorrow. Yes, I'll start up a new vlog tomorrow, or I don't know. Let's just see how it goes. I'm not 100% sure. So thank you guys for watching. If you've not subscribed to my channel, try to do so. On this channel, I teach Igbo language. I also bring in culture and vlogs from time to time. Yes, I said it. Like this video, share this video to a wider range of people. Let YouTube algorithm favor this channel. I be they say consistency will help the channel to be favored. I am consistent. YouTube algorithm, where are you? Thank you guys, and thank you my new subscribers. I love you guys. Stay tuned for more videos coming your way. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.